Hi guys, welcome to Embed Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain page fault. I have drawn on a diagram process 1 and process 2 that corresponding PCB is in kernel layer. That PCB contains the page table information. Okay, see, look in the process contains segments, and after execution it's loaded into the RAM. That and two more segments will create a heap and stack segment. You can look into it. Yes. uh, the pages are created in this physical frame of the RAM. I mean that these all will load into like this. Okay, we'll see first how those segments will loaded into the physical frame of the RAM. I take three process. uh, See here, and this is the physical frame of the RAM. It contains all the processors information, means whatever the calculations need to do, those segments and page informations, all the data it maintains. Okay. Yes. See here, these page see the process one first segments will load into physical frame of the RAM. I have given the colors for each processes: process 1 and process 2, process 3, and I have mentioned those segments in that physical frame of the RAM. Actually, multiple processors are running in our system. I have seen only three segments. If another process comes under to execution, that time uh, in physical frame of the RAM, though which segments are not used for a long time, means no need to use it for not long process time, those segments are placed into the hard disk. Okay, this total information is maintained CPU. Yes. So these all information is stored in hard disk. That means what are the segments are not used for long time, those segments are copied into the hard disk. See here, in process 1, that data segment is not used. For example, I have taken like this. So this is for process 1 data segment, and you can see that process 4 data segment I have placed in that physical frame of the RAM, and text segment of process 2. See here, um, the processors, multiple processors are currently running infinite loop. Some that time some segments are not used for in while execution. Those segments are copied into that uh, hard disk. Okay, and another process segments will copied into that whatever the segments are not used for long time, in that places another process segments are copied. You can see here. Yes, this is the process 3 BSS segment. If that other processes want to all the information that corresponding processes segments, that time it will look into again that physical frame of the RAM. If it is not present, if it looks into physical frame of the RAM, if those segments are not present, if those segments are whatever the segments they want, those segments are not present, that we called as page fault. Yes, that we called as page fault. How do you overcome? Means we can overcome like yes, it will look into that first from memory mapping unit, and memory mapping unit to CPU registers, and from CPU will look into that hard disk, that is that corresponding data segments are present in hard disk or not, and then it copied into the CPU and does the calculation, and from memory mapping unit to it will place back to that physical frame of the RAM, and it will reflect into our monitor. Yes, this is the way to overcome that page fault also. Yes, it will automatically takes back its process. Yes, then it will get back its previous segments information into that physical frame of the RAM, and then it will get that information, that corresponding processor segments. Please, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.